Selecting the most iconic vintage Breitling watches is no easy feat, considering the brand's rich heritage and its strong ties to aviation and technical chronographs. Each of the following 5 watches stands out as a landmark in Breitling's history, showcasing the brand's innovation and influence over the years. The Breitling Navitimer 806 is often regarded as the most iconic Breitling watch ever produced. Introduced in 1952, it was designed with pilots in mind and quickly gained recognition for its innovative slide rule bezel, which allowed aviators to perform essential in-flight calculations. This definitive pilot's watch remains highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike, with its distinctive black dial, prominent chronograph pushers, and a meticulously designed layout that balances complexity with functionality. The Navitimer 806 is instantly recognizable and continues to embody the spirit of aviation. The Breitling Chronomat 769, introduced in 1941, was one of the first wristwatches to feature a circular slide rule, marking a significant technical innovation in horology. Marketed as a mathematical chronograph, it quickly gained popularity among engineers, mathematicians, and pilots for its practical applications. This pioneering model laid the groundwork for future Breitling chronographs, including the iconic Navitimer. The Chronomat's unique rotating bezel with logarithmic scales, combined with its clean and functional design, has earned it a lasting place as a classic in Breitling's esteemed lineup. The Breitling Super Ocean, introduced in 1957, was Breitling's first dive watch and quickly established itself as a formidable tool for professional divers. The reference 1004 was capable of withstanding depths of up to 200 meters, positioning it as a serious competitor to other iconic dive watches of the era. Its minimalist design, featuring large, easy-to-read hour markers and a rotating bezel, emphasized functionality and legibility, making it a standout model in Breitling's collection that remains significant to this day. The Breitling Top Time reference 810 gained widespread recognition when it was featured on James Bond's wrist, played by Sean Connery in the 1965 film Thunderball. Targeted at a younger audience, the Top Time stood out for its sporty and modern design, setting it apart from other chronographs of its era. The reference 810 is particularly noted for its symmetrical, clean dial with contrasting subdials, giving it a stylish and timeless appeal that continues to resonate with collectors and watch enthusiasts alike. While not as old as the other models on this list, the Breitling Emergency stands out for its groundbreaking feature, a built-in emergency locator beacon. Specifically designed for pilots and adventurers, this watch can transmit distress signals to assist in rescue missions, making it a practical and life-saving tool. The first generation of the Emergency became a symbol of Breitling's dedication to innovation and practicality. With its rugged, functional design and distinctive dual antennae integrated into the watch case, the Emergency serves as both a highly capable tool watch and a unique conversation piece. Here are 4 honorable mentions that we simply couldn't leave out. The Co-Pilot reference 765 Avi was introduced as a companion to the Navitimer and quickly gained fame for its large, highly legible 15-minute counter, perfect for pilots timing critical stages of flight. Its strong connection to aviation and its robust, functional design have made it a favorite among collectors. The watch's bold, easy-to-read numerals and substantial pushers not only enhance its functionality, but also contribute to its stylish, cockpit-ready appeal. The Navitimer Cosmonaut is a unique adaptation of the classic Navitimer, specifically designed for space travel. It was created for astronaut Scott Carpenter, who wore it during the Mercury Atlas 7 mission in 1962. Unlike traditional pilot watches, the Cosmonaut features a 24-hour dial, enabling astronauts to distinguish between day and night while observing the Earth, a crucial functionality in space. With its 24-hour dial and the signature element of the Navitimer, including the slide rule bezel, the Cosmonaut transcends its role as a pilot's watch, becoming an essential tool for space exploration. The Superocean Heritage was introduced as part of Breitling's dive watch collection, seamlessly blending vintage design with modern performance. Building on the legacy of the original Superocean, the Heritage model added a new level of sophistication to Breitling's offerings. Its distinctive aesthetics and reliable functionality quickly made it a favorite among both professional divers and watch enthusiasts. Featuring a clean, understated dial, with bold luminescent markers and a rotating bezel, the Superocean Heritage serves as both a practical dive tool and a stylish accessory, perfectly balancing form and function. The Avenger Seawolf stands out as one of Breitling's most rugged and durable dive watches, capable of withstanding depths of up to 3,000 meters, or 10,000 feet. Favored by professional divers and enthusiasts of over-engineered timepieces, the Avenger Seawolf exemplifies Breitling's dedication to pushing the boundaries of functionality. Featuring a robust 44mm case, a helium escape valve, and a highly legible dial, the Avenger Seawolf is meticulously designed for extreme conditions, seamlessly combining practicality with a bold, unmistakable aesthetic.